Hi, this is Lu from Ether. We're now in Shenzhen Weersom Optoelectronic company. Let's go and see it. Weersom is a high-tech enterprise with over 5,000 square meter workshop area and over 100 colleagues.
Weersom has got many certificates such as High-Tech, ISO 9001, 5 innovation patents, and 26 products patents. All the LED products are with CE and RoHS approved, with 3 to 5 years warranty. Their factory equipped with advanced automatically die bonding and chip bonding equipments, SMT machines, and integrating spheres. Perfect quality testing including aging test and safeguard measures. Their LED strip production capacity is over 300,000 meters per day.
Weersom can provide full series of COB LED strips, such as single color, turnable white color, RGB and RGBW color, and Pixel Dream color series. Here is the main product of Weersom.
COB LED strip. It has a wide beam angle of 180 degrees, very soft and uniform lighting, high color efficiency.
The working voltage of this product is DC 12 volts and DC 24 volts, cuttable and freely bendable. It is highly density LED strip, up to 480 pieces LED per meter. You will not see the light shadow between each LED. The CRI is more than 90, with 3M adhesive type on the back, very easy to operate. It is your perfect choice for professional lighting. Contact us.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.